Okay, so Jordan and Sam decided to go out and launch a rocket across a field. So you need to find out how far it went, how high the rocket went, and how far did it travel. So you would press y equals, you would plug in the equation and hit graph. As you can see, you can't quite see the end of the graph, so you would need to adjust your window. Let's leave the x minimum as it is. Let's get the x maximum to equal 150 and the scale to be by tens. For y minimum, you would leave the same, and y maximum, it would be 100. You would make it 100, and the scale by tens, and you would hit graph. See, now you can see the whole graph. Now what we would have to do is find how much feet it was off the ground. So you would hit second calc, hit value, and for x you would put in 0 and you press enter. And as you can see, y equals 0.75, and that is 8. So next you would have to find the height the rocket reached in the air, and what you would do, you press second calc, hit maximum, you would find the left bound, the right bound, and guess the middle, and you would be left with that answer, and it is x is equal to 61.7 and 27.2. So you would need to put that. So it would be is feet off, feet height, or 0.71, 27.2. And the reason it is 27.2 is because it's height. It is on the y-axis, so that's why it is 27.2. Next, you will need to find how far it traveled. So first, you press second calc and hit 0. And as you can see, the window isn't quite clear here, so you need to adjust your window. For the scale, you would have to change the y scale, so let's make this one 80. The y max, and the minimum, let's make it -20 and see how that changes it. So as you can see, the graph is a slightly bit more higher, so you can see the x right here. So hit second calc, hit 0, and it would also ask you for the left bound, so left bound, the right bound is the right of the point, so right bound, and then the point, you would hit enter, and as you can see, y is equal to 1e negative 11. That's just pretty much mean it's 0. It means like the 1 is 11 places away from the decimal point. So the answer would be C is equal to 124.3 feet from 0, or 142.3, 0. And the reason it is 124.3 feet away from 0 is because, as you can see in the calculator, it's 100 and 124.3 feet away from the zero, as in the x-axis. So that's why. Okay, and next you would have to sketch out a graph, and this is how it should look like, and that is it.